Strike King's been known for some great baits throughout the years. You know, they have those vibrating baits, you know, the Pure Poison. We came with a Rage Blade last year that's very, very unique for those vibrating type baits. This one is the new Rage Blade, but it's the naked Rage Blade. Why is it naked? Look how clear that is. Crystal clear lip. It's a plastic that just really holds together extremely strong. But what makes this bait so much better is no skirt, and you have a finesseful brand new trailer that's got all the action in the world, the kicker action, a lot of wiggle, a lot of wobble. The weight at the end of it allows this bait to be dropped straight to the bottom, fish at any depth. So you can drag it on the bottom. When you drag it on the bottom and fish slow and it's shaking on the bottom, it won't allow it to roll over and get hung. So it's extremely weedless. There's no other vibrating type jig bait like that in the world. The naked Rage Blade, this dude is incredible.